Hey everyone, I made it inside the at-home store and look at this end cap. This is going to be the Fao Schwarz. I am loving it. The red light up trees, and they do have the minis. These are so nice. The mercury glass for 19. Then we have your red one. These are only $15. Check out this countdown, the little train, for 22. It does have glitter on it, and here's two trees and the blocks. But look at these homes. Okay, they're gonna light up. It takes a battery, so they're $28. The top is full of glitter, kind of like snow. You have Santa, and then we have your nutcrackers. Look at these dishes. These are a little different. Has the gold around it. Merry Christmas. So maybe like a serving tray for only 20. They also have Noel. Again, the white and gold. These are only $5.99. And then your bowls are $5.99 as well. It's kind of cool. I'm really loving this pattern though, and the ornaments. I love them, and they are shatterproof, but from far away they kind of look like they're glass. They're so nice, and for only $7. I do know Fao Schwarz can be pricey, but some of the items here are pretty decent. This one with the green. Santa Paws, please stop here. So adorable. This one's gonna be $5. And look at this one. It has a G on it, so I want to say that is by Gimme Industries, right? With the G for $20. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, gonna sing the whole thing. That is so crazy. Oh gosh.
I'll leave it for you under your tree. Look for it on Christmas morning.
So it says many things.
Santa may deliver presents, but it's you, your hopes and your dreams that really brings Christmas to life. Man, jingle bells. I have a surprise for you. Santa may deliver presents.
One more.
Magic is in the air, and everyone feels the warm glow of the holidays. It's Christmas time, the best time of the year.
Huh. What do you guys think about that? It does hang up on your wall. So that is really different that the mouth is moving like that. Really, really different. $2 for the little pics here. So in Walmart, I want to say maybe last year or the year before, they had a snowman head and a Santa head. And I think it talked and played music, but the mouth didn't move. I had that on video, one of my old Walmart videos. I like this sign right here. These are pretty cool. And I can't believe they're 18. I honestly thought that would be like 25 or a little more. Alright you guys, that is gonna do it for the Fao Schwarz collection. I am pretty sure they are gonna add more. There's plenty of room. I feel like we're gonna see more Santas and more like animal decor. They normally have that. And nutcrackers. I believe a few more might be coming out, and I will be back to finish it. I kind of like these nutcrackers. I like this one right here with like the peppermint, and I like this guy. But I'm really loving the homes over here, you guys. I love this. Again, I know I might have too much glitter, but these are different this year. And for $20, I feel like this is not bad. I also feel like you could possibly find this in Hobby Lobby. You know, it is on sale. And these are kind of hollow, but if you want really nice ones, I would suggest go to Dillard's or Macy's. Alright you guys, please stay safe And I will see all of you in the next one.